Groups, good afternoon. Today I will show you different kinds of Unilever Company merch. Dove Sachet Conditioner. So Dove Sachet Conditioner, meron tayong Dove Minute Serum Conditioner, Keratin Repair. Available po siya sa 10 ml. Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong Dove 1 Minute Serum Conditioner, Amino Restore with Amino. $10 ml. Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong Dove 1 Minute Serum Conditioner, Hair Fall Rescue. $10 ml. Unilever po yan. Ginawa ko tong video na to para alam nyo kung ano-anong iba't ibang uri ng Unilever Company merch. Yung Dove Conditioner Sachet, isa lang po yun sa Unilever Company merch. You can buy it from any grocery stores, Mamos grocery stores. Next, meron din tayong Dove 1 Minute Serum Conditioner, Nourishing Oil Care. Network 10 ml. Unilever po yan. Video natin. Dove 1 Minute Serum Conditioner Sachet Oil Care. Dove 1 Minute Serum Conditioner Hair Fall Rescue. Dove 1 Minute Serum Conditioner Amino Restore. And Dove 1 Minute Serum Conditioner Keratin Repair. And that's it for today's Unilever Company merch. Dove Conditioner Sachet. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Unilever Company merch videos. Respect, always rise, never give up. God bless us all always. Thank you for watching. Thank you.